This machine learning indicator has over 29,600 favorites on Tradingview and can predict price movements before they happen. Most traders don't understand how to use it properly and miss massive opportunities. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to trade this like a professional. The indicator we're using is the Lorentzian Classification indicator by J.D.E. Horty. This uses actual machine learning to analyze price patterns and predict future movements. It's like teaching a computer to recognize thousands of price patterns and alert you when those patterns form again. Search for Lorentzian in your Indicators tab and select the one by J.D.E. Horty. Once loaded, you'll see green and red envelopes. These are your trading signals. Green envelope means buy, red means sell, but there's more happening beneath the surface. You'll notice numbers below each candle, ranging from +8 to -8. These show trend strength and confidence. Numbers +6 to +8 signal extremely bullish conditions. Numbers -6 to -8 show strong bearish momentum. Around 0 means no clear direction. When you see sequences like +2, +6, +8, that's sustained bullish power, but -2, -4, -8 shows strong bearish momentum. These numbers are educational, so I'm disabling them now for a cleaner chart. We'll focus on the signals and the kernel line instead. We will also change the bar colors to actual bar colors and uncheck this option here. The kernel regression line is where this gets powerful. Unlike traditional moving averages that lag, this line uses kernel regression, a mathematical method that adapts to price behavior in real time. It weighs recent price action more heavily and adjusts based on volatility. When the kernel line is green, with price above it, you're in bullish structure. Red, with price below, means bearish structure. But here's the professional insight. This line shows you market regime changes instantly. Price consistently above a green kernel. Healthy uptrend, every pullback to the kernel is a re-entry opportunity. Price whipping across the kernel with color flashing between green and reds. Choppy markets stay out. Price breaks through the kernel and color flips. Trend reversal happening now. The kernel line also gives you dynamic stop-loss placement that adapts to actual market conditions instead of arbitrary percentages. For buy positions, you need 3 confirmations: kernel line green, price above the kernel, and Lorentzian prints a green envelope. Here's the professional approach. Context matters. If the kernel just turned green after being red and you get an immediate signal, that's early reversal, higher risk, but the higher reward. I will enter on the close of the signal candle. Place my stop at the kernel line. If it's too tight within 0.5% of entry, use the recent swing low instead. Profit management separates professionals from amateurs. Target 1.5 times your risk minimum. If risking $100, aim for $150. When this hits, take 50% profit and move your stop to break even immediately. You're now risk-free. Hold the remaining 50% and trail with the kernel line. As long as it stays green with price above, hold. When the kernel flips red, exit completely. This captures extended trends while protecting profits. Signal quality matters. Not all signals are equal. The best setups occur when the kernel has been consistently one color for 5 to 10 candles. Price pulls back to test it, then Lorentzian confirms with the signal in that direction. You're trading with structure, not against it. For sell positions, kernel printed red and price hovering below it, Lorentzian red envelope appear on the last candle, we will place stop at kernel line or recent swing high. Same 1.5 times target with 50% profit taking and trailing exit when kernel turns green. Here's an advanced insight. Watch how the kernel line behaves. In strong trends, the kernel stays one color for extended periods. Take every signal in these conditions. Use Lorentzian on multiple time frames for better accuracy. A 15-minute buy signal while the 1-hour kernel is green, that's confluence. That dramatically improves win rates. The higher time frame confirms the lower time frame trade. This is professional level machine learning trading. It's about understanding market structure through the kernel line, recognizing high probability setups, managing risk with the 50% rule, and letting winners run. The Lorentzian indicator gives you pattern recognition that takes years to develop manually. Test this on your time frame. It works from 5-minute scalps to 4-hour swings. Wait for confirmation, manage risk, and let the machine learning work for you. If this changed your perspective, hit that like button and comment your biggest takeaway. See you in the next one.